Good evening, everyone. This is Rob Thompson, licensed real estate agent here in Colorado, and admin in one of the groups you're watching this video in, and most likely. I wanted to take just a few minutes tonight and go over what my favorite mortgage calculator is. If you're at all interested in what you might be able to afford, aside from talking to a lender, this is one tool, probably the best tool that I've seen in terms of calculating a mortgage, so you can get an estimate of what you're looking for. So if we go to the website whatsmypayment.com, you can see at the top, and this is not my website, just a great tool. But you see at the top they have a number of different calculators that you can calculate a payment on. Let's do a VA loan. Colorado Springs is a pretty heavy VA town, so it's one we often calculate. So if we click on VA calculator, it's going to take us here, and we'll just enter some numbers here. The average pricing right now is actually around $280,000, but there are homes below. I just listed a home for $245,000 that went under contract, so let's enter that as a purchase price. Most loans are going to be 30 years, but you can play around with that. Interest rate. This is not an offer to loan, offer to lend, but let's just hypothetically say you're going to get a 4.25% interest rate. We'll put that in there. Down payment on a VA loan, you don't have to make a down payment. That's not to say that it's no cost to move into a home, because you also have inspection costs, earnest money, and appraisal now, which is about $750. Inspections run about $300. Earnest money can be $500 to $3,000 depending on the purchase price of the home. So just be aware of those costs, but know that it is a no money down loan where no money is required. So taxes, let's just estimate $1,100, and insurance, let's estimate $1,200. The VA funding fee, if it's the first time using a VA loan, your funding fee is going to be 2.15%. If you are not a disabled vet, we won't waive that disability fee. So just on a standard VA loan with a purchase price of $245,000, 4.25% rate, that is just a number I pulled out of thin air based on potential prevailing rates. No down payment, $1,100 in taxes and $1,200 in insurance. You're looking at a VA payment of $1,422.83 at $245,000. Maybe your affordability matrix is $1,300. So let's look and say, what happens if we do $235,000? This is what I love about this calculator. Pow. Oop, what happened there? Okay, something's clearly off. That was $23,500. Let's do $235,000. Okay, there we go. So we got $235,000. All other factors remaining the same. It's a $1,372 payment, and so on and so forth. You can play with the numbers. You can make them do what you want. If you have used the VA loan previously, the funding fee pops up, so you can see the difference between a first time and a second time use. Just a really neat tool I wanted to highlight this evening for your use. If you have any questions, my name is Rob Thompson. I'm a licensed agent here in Colorado. You can find me on Facebook or on my website, robthompsonrealtor.com. Have a great night. Thank you.